ano? Ay, you ask Court? Why you ask me? You answer that one, Court. You answer that one, Daniel. Why me? I'd never use that one. That paper towel use when you finish jug jug and then you wipe there. You use that one after you jug jug After you jug jug you use that paper towel. Welcome sis always. Thank you Kuya. You use that one for jug 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 and then you after you jug jug you wipe it and then you throw it. Oh, jug jug